Olá, Damaris. Good morning. Acabou de me ver? Good morning, Damaris. How are you? Tá conseguindo me ouvir? É não. Você tá aí, Damaris?
Oi,
Ok.
só um instante.
No problem. Hello again, Isabelle.
Tá começando agora, é?
Olha, a gente já tinha começado, mas a internet do pessoal deu problema. Aí eu vou começar de novo. O pessoal tá chegando aqui. E aí, Isabelle, tudo certo agora?
Hello.
Hello. The Tiziane is back to nada ainda do Valve. Valve não, né? Alexandre. Ok, guys. Qualquer coisa vai ter a gravação. Let's begin, because we are already late. Unit 3.1, okay, today we will see units 3.1 and 3.2. Unidades muito importantes com estrutura nova e estruturas extremamente necessárias para a prova e também para a proficiência de vocês no inglês, tá bom? Muito importante a aula de hoje. Por isso eu quero levar só até 3.2 mesmo, porque vai ter bastante coisa nova. Mas vamos começar devagar, né? How often do you travel? It's the first question of the unit. How often do you travel? I told you just now, just before we closed the first meeting, that I travel once, maybe twice a year. How often do you guys travel? Understand the question? How often do you travel? I travel once or twice a year. Me. How about you, huh?
Sometimes I travel one or two a year.
1 or 2 times a year, right? We say like that, once or twice. So Isis also travels once or twice. Like that. Anyone else? How often do y'all travel? No? Okay. All right, this is frequency.
I travel sometimes.
Sometimes. I doesn't have a specific time. All right. So,
Sometimes.
sometimes too. Yeah, we can count, right? No problem. So sometimes we travel. And how do you like to travel? I think it's an interesting question. If you look to these pictures, we have a few ways that we can use to travel. Like, yeah, we see train here, airplane, bus. There's no bus here, okay. But we could travel by bus, we travel by car, right? How do you like to travel? Or Do you like to travel or not?
And can you repeat, please?
If you like to travel, do you like to travel?
Yes.
Yes, I like to. I'd like make the bag. I
Really, you
love
like to prepare the bag
it. Yes,
or the bag? That's
before
good.
the travel.
I hate packing. Too much work. Um, a while ago, I lived in another place, and I would move a lot to different places, sometimes different cities, to different houses, and I hated having to pack. I would always just put my things inside of a big or trash bag, you know? Eu pegava assim um saco de lixo grandão desse, preto, né? Trash bag, black, botava tudo dentro, botava no carro.
Meu Deus!
I have no patience to organize because e também porque nessa época eu fazia isso com muita frequência, então era chato. It was not just once or twice a year. Nowadays it's better. Well, I mean not better, but it's fine if I have to. Okay, we will listen to an audio about this guy called Victor. Victor is traveling. Actually, he talks about his vacation. Sério, gente, o meu áudio tá ruim? Eu troquei o fone.
Tá dando um pouco de retorno, professor, quando o senhor fala, tá bem estranho o áudio.
Eu escuto abafado.
Abafado.
Isso,
Tô começando a
o som
ficar preocupado.
abafado.
Porque eu tava com o fone, outro fone aqui, né? E tava com esse problema. E agora eu tô com com fone diferente. Eu acho que isso não é legal. Eu não tenho ideia do que tá acontecendo.
É, não escuto assim com muita clareza, mas a voz.
Eu vou. Deixa eu ver aqui. Acesso privado. Eu vou tentar voltar aqui pro fone que eu tava, porque pelo menos ele é melhor. E vocês me dizem se ele tá melhor ou pior que esse, tá? Peraí. Como tá esse aqui?
Igual.
Então não deve ser o microfone, né?
É, mas dá para entender. Só tá um pouquinho abafado, mas aqui pelo menos eu consigo entender.
Gente,
Eu entendo um pouco, eu não tenho muita clareza.
meu pai. Eu vou me esforçar para falar alto. Deixa eu fechar a janela aqui para ver se melhor. Peraí. Vou me esforçar para falar alto, tá? Para tentar fazer vocês terem melhor as compreensões. E essa semana eu vou tentar ver se há algum problema com o meu software no computador, porque se os dois microfones estão ruins, acho que não é o microfone. Eu estou até tentando mexer na configuração aqui, mas eu não sei o que pode ser. Bom, eu vou me esforçar, tá, para falar alto. É o que a gente pode fazer hoje. Vocês querem tentar o Google Meet? Eu não acho que seja o Zoom, mas... O que vocês acham?
Como?
Se vocês querem tentar o Google Meet, de repente é os dois, não sei.
Não sei. Eu
Eu acho que
particularmente
não é.
consigo entender.
Eu acho que não é não, porque já tinha tido esse problema também com o Google Meet em uma outra reunião. Então, eu vou tentar resolver isso aí durante a semana. Hoje eu vou me esforçar para falar alto, para tentar fazer vocês entenderem. E, de qualquer maneira, tá? Não tendo entendido qualquer coisa importante, peçam, fala que não entendeu, eu escrevo, a gente faz alguma coisa para vocês entenderem, tá? Mas vai dar certo. Ok, vamos lá. All right, we will listen to the audio from Victor. He is on vacation, or he was on vacation, and he will tell us about a trip that he made. The task is you have to put the pictures in the order he says in the audio, okay? So you can see that there are several moments here. Okay, there are a few moments. For example, letter A, he's boarding a plane. Letter B, he's, I don't know, trying to get a train, trying to buy tickets, packing, going online, doing something here, or, well, there are these places. So let's just put them in the order we listen in the audio. Understood? Deu para entender o que é para fazer?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So let's do it. Listen.
Well, I booked online, and it was a fantastic vacation.
O professor ficou mudo aqui no meu. Eu não sei se é. Ficou para todo mundo.
Também.
Não tá dando para ouvir o áudio?
Começou bem, aí parou.
Isso daí deve ser internet.
Tá mudo aqui também.
Não, agora eu parei já. Vou começar de novo, mas eu acho que quando para assim é a internet, porque ele está compartilhando o som direto no computador de vocês, mas vou iniciar de novo, bora ver. Listen.
Well, I booked online, and it was a fantastic vacation.
Tá dando para ouvir?
Sim.
Sim.
Ok. Let's go.
Well, I booked online, and it was a fantastic vacation when I actually got there, because the journey to the airport was a nightmare. So, I packed my suitcase the night before and left early for the train station, but it was really crowded when I arrived, and then I had to stand in line for ages at the ticket office. I finally got my ticket, but disaster! I missed my train by a few seconds. Anyway, I eventually arrived at the airport, and I was late, but I boarded the plane just in time. And guess what? On the way home, I was stopped for a bag check at customs. Vacations are great, apart from the traveling.
Ok, conseguiram? Did you manage to put in order?
Can you repeat?
Ok.
All right. One more time. Once more. Listen.
Well, I booked online, and it was a fantastic vacation when I actually got there, because the journey to the airport was a nightmare. So, I packed my suitcase the night before and left early for the train station, but it was really crowded when I arrived, and then I had to stand in line for ages at the ticket office. I finally got my ticket, but disaster! I missed my train by a few seconds. Anyway, I eventually arrived at the airport and I was late, but I boarded the plane just in time. And guess what? On the way home, I was stopped for a bag check at customs. Vacations are great, apart from the traveling.
Let's try to answer now, all right? What was the first thing Victor did?
G.
G. Okay, so let's put number one in letter G. He booked online. He booked online. Then
B?
E.
B or E? E, right?
B.
E.
Actually, E, okay? He packed. First, he packed his suitcase. Let's put number two, okay? Then he packed. This is what I hate to do. Packing. He packed his suitcase and then he left to the
F.
train station. We know that it is letter F because he says that he left to the train station and it was really crowded, okay? Train station was crowded. Do you see them? That how many people do you see there? A lot of people. So it's crowded. It was crowded.
Teacher,
Yeah.
can you write this phrase? I don't understand.
Yes. Aqui, ó.
Phrase F.
Aqui, ó, do lado da F, tá? Train station was crowded. Full of people. Okay?
O chat estava em cima, agora que eu vi, desculpa.
Ah, eu tô colocando do lado de cada imagem, okay? So he booked online, he packed his suitcase. The train station went to the train station and the train station was really crowded. What happened after?
B.
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 B or B? I'm sorry.
I think D.
D, yeah.
D.
D was you had to stand in line for ages. That's what he says. So you had to stand in line in the ticket office to get his tickets. And then you just have A, B, and C now.
B.
We had to stand in line. Okay, you see the lines there. And he got the tickets, but he missed the train. It's 5.
Inline é fila?
Isso, na fila. He missed the train for a few seconds. He missed the train. What happens after? Let's have letter A and C.
C.
Are you sure?
Guys, I think
Listen.
letter C.
Do you know what is happening in letter C?
I don't remember. It's about his ticket.
No. Look, the ticket is over. He got the tickets for the train. He missed the train. But let's see what happens now. Listen again.
And I was late, but I boarded the plane just in time.
What happened?
Letter A.
You boarded the plane just in time. Let's put here number 6, letter A. Boarded the plane just in time. And the last one, therefore, is letter C. Let's see what happens in letter C. Listen.
And guess what? On the way home, I was stopped for a bag check at customs. Vacations are great, apart from the traveling.
He was stopped for a bag check at customs. Do you know what is customs? Have you heard this before?
I don't know.
Alguém sabe? We call it alfândega. Alfândega. Okay, so they stopped to check his bag at customs. He didn't like that. So Victor likes to take vacation, but he doesn't like to travel. He says vacations are great apart from the traveling. Okay. And I can understand that was not a nice trip. But okay. Let's see now. How do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? We have a few possibilities here. We have some positive verbs like love and like, and some negative ones like hate. So I could say, I love to travel alone, or I hate to travel alone, ou ainda, I hate traveling alone, ok? A gente também tem enjoy, I enjoy traveling with my family, with friends. I don't mind traveling with friends, or the negative one, I don't mind seria mais eu não me importo, né? Nem amo, nem odeio. Don't love, don't hate. I don't mind traveling alone. Poderia dizer também, né? I don't mind traveling alone. Or I can't stand traveling alone. This means I hate traveling alone. O importante aqui é, em termos de estrutura, quando a gente usa essas palavras aqui, enjoy, ou a expressão don't mind, ou a expressão can't stand, nós necessariamente usamos o próximo verbo com ing no final, tá? Para fazer o infinitivo. So I don't mind traveling alone, or I can't stand traveling with family. I can't stand. Understand?
Yes.
We also have a few other options, like I love traveling long distances by car, by plane, by train, but I hate to travel long distances by boat. I can say that. I hate traveling long distances by boat. I hate. I don't mind going to exotic places. I enjoy taking short day trips. I enjoy doing nothing. I really enjoy. And I can't stand hitchhiking. Do you know what is hitchhiking?
No. Alguma coisa de carona?
Yeah. Você vai pedindo carona, sabe, viaja pela estrada mesmo pedindo para outros motoristas desconhecidos, strangers, to take you to places.
Teacher, o que é esse rushing around?
Rushing around. Rushing around seria aí o oposto de doing nothing. Sabe? Quando você tem que fazer as coisas com pressa, né?
Eu não entendi, professor.
Fazer as coisas com pressa. To rush. Understand? Rush around.
Correr com aquele.
É tipo, correr contra o tempo, fazer igual estava fazendo aí o Victor in the story. He was rushing around. He had to run to the ticket office, wait in line, miss the train, ran to the airport. This is rushing around.
Entendi.
I hate rushing around. I can't stand rushing around. I'm gonna keep these options here. I love traveling with family. I don't mind traveling alone. But I hate or I can't stand traveling or rushing around. I can't stand rushing around. I hate that. Tell me about you. Something you love or you like or you enjoy or something you hate or can't stand.
I love traveling with friends.
So Isabella's traveling with friends. What else? Anything you don't like here? No, you like everything? Like traveling by plane, train, bus, boat, rushing, doing nothing.
Depende da distância. I love travel by bus.
By bus.
A bus.
Depending on the distance. So you don't like to go long distances.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. I like. I just don't like the boat because I get nervous. And I can't swim. How about the rest of you? What do y'all like and don't like it?
I enjoy traveling long distance by car.
Me too. Anything you don't like is
Bus. I don't like long distance traveling by bus.
yeah, I mean it can be tough. It can be tough. I understand. What else? Anyone else would like to share? Nope.
I never traveled hitchhiking. Como
Hitchhiking.
pronuncia? Yes. Como pronuncia, professor? Pode repetir?
Hitchhiking.
I never traveled hitchhiking.
Never traveled to hitchhiking.
I
Yeah, me
don't
neither.
mind. I don't
Some little
mind.
crazy. You don't mind? Okay. Well, Izzy doesn't mind the hitchhiking. I think I hate hitchhiking because it looks dangerous and weird. How many people do this around the year? Yes. All right, let's move on. Here we have a quiz about some situations, hypothetical situations actually. Let's read the situations and first understand them. After we understand, we will answer the quiz. So let's read here and find out the meaning of the words in bold. Okay? Like in number 1. Before the journey, You've saved a lot of money and booked an expensive hotel online, the kind you've always dreamed of. When you get there, well, you'll see later the rest. Right now, let's match the words in bold to the photos. Okay, which one do we see booking online?
D.
Yes.
O que
So
seria esse
let's
bucket?
agendar, né? Fazer uma reserva, reservation.
Ah, ok.
So you booked an expensive hotel. It's number one and G. I actually gonna write the word. So you booked an expensive hotel online. That's it. Now, in the second situation, we have it's 4 p.m. You've tried all you could, but you couldn't get to the station on time and missed your train. Missed your train. Which picture is best related to missing a train?
B.
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 Yes, that's right. You missed the train. Number 3. It's December 23rd, véspera da véspera de Natal. You are at a crowded and cold bus station, standing in line. Crowded and standing in line. Which pictures are related to crowded and standing? Crowded first.
D.
D.
G. Or D.
D.
D is what? Crowded or standing?
D is standing in line.
Yeah.
And F is crowded.
Crowded. The letter F. Very good. Number 4. It's time to go to the airport. You've packed all your bags, turned off the lights, and called the text packed. Which photo is related to packed?
C.
E? Ah,
C.
I don't think so.
No, no,
I
no.
think it's E, huh?
E. Yes.
Yeah.
Eu que não vi direito aqui, esse E parece um C para mim.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it does look like C. Okay, so packed. You packed all your bags, and you are ready to go to the airport. Situation 5, you boarded You've boarded an old and crowded plane. All you want to do is get some sleep. You hope there is no one sitting next to you. Boarded. Which picture is boarded? Shows boarding.
A.
A.
Yes, you boarded the plane. An old, crowded plane. And therefore, let us see, well, let's see the last situations. You're on the plane, the flight attendant has dropped a cup of coffee on your laptop. Number 7, you've arrived at the hotel and checked in. You're exhausted after your journey. And the 8, you've just come back from a shopping trip to Miami. In that. You are stopped at customs, and let's see. Stopped at customs. What is customs? Do you remember?
Alfândega.
Yeah.
Desce.
There you go. Customs. Então, o vocabulário parece que está mais ou menos resolvido. We will listen to the. We will now. No, not this. Yeah, we will listen to the questions. Now, the complete questions, and try to answer choosing from A, B, and C. You can take notes of your answers, because after we can see the results, ok? Então, basicamente, nós vamos responder ao quiz, tá? Depois do áudio. E aí você calcula o seu score, anotando as respostas. Vai ter a opção A, B e C, do que você faria em cada situação. A opção A é 3 pontos, B é 2 pontos e C é 1 ponto. Então, basicamente, só anotar A, B ou C para cada pergunta que você responder. E depois a gente vem aqui e calcula o nosso resultado, tá? Understood? Entenderam o que é para fazer? Yes or no? You understand? So I need you to tell me. Entenderam
I
ou
don't
não?
understand, teacher.
Não?
Não.
Ok. É um quiz, tá? 8 perguntas. Eu vou tocar o áudio, a gente vai ouvir e a gente vai responder letra A, B ou C. Ele vai dar as opções no áudio, tá?
Ah, entendi. Eu não tinha entendido o score.
Exato. Aí vai ter cada uma dessas situações que a gente já começou a ver, tá? E aí você anota a sua resposta. Depois a gente calcula. Por exemplo, bora ver aqui a primeira. You've saved a lot of money and booked an expensive hotel online. The hotel you've always dreamed of. When you get there, you discover the place is not what you saw on the site. It is not even finished. What do you do? Então você vai ter que dizer o que você faria nessa situação. What do you do? Tá? É um hotel caro, você fez reserva e quando chegou lá era outra coisa. It is totally different, it's not even finished. Ele vai dar 3 opções no áudio e você vai escolher uma delas. Mas é um pouco longo esse áudio. O tempo que a gente tem não vai dar para tocar tudo. Então vamos fechar essa primeira parte da aula, tá? E voltar para a segunda parte. E aí a gente faz o quiz, tá bom?
Tá bem.
Let's go.